Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve not working on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.